It's just the handle. Okay, we're gonna just take the whole thing out. This is what we're gonna take those off, and then this plate should come right off. Two. All right, I think we're kind of in now. So this is what holds the bar right there. Just get that out of our way. Slide that over, and we are opened. Honestly, I don't know why this lock wasn't working. Seems to be working okay. Did you need a key for it? Did you want a key for it?
No, I think I'm gonna, well, probably, yeah.
I'll tell you what the issue the other guy was having. The lock turns the wrong way.
The lock, I'm sorry?
It turns the wrong way. So like, here, I'll show you. Let me, I'm gonna put this lock back in. So like normally for us, this way would be the lock in, right? Like when you're inside, really this way is to lock in.
Also the opposite.
It's just, yeah, exactly. So I'll put this one back in. This retainer has to get pushed down for this to go in. So we'll push that down and put it in. Let me shave these down a little bit more. All right, let me do a quick little cleanup on this keys. All right, well done. So this is to lock it backwards. It's locked. And then unlock will be the opposite way. Well, let me try to do it. So locked, and then unlocked is that way. That's confusing.